In order to achieve abundantly flowery rebates and an always luscious green lawn, we need to ensure that the plants receive sufficient quantities of water. However, one hose is often not enough to distribute water to every corner of a garden. We usually need to buy a couple of them and connect to a water supply with connectors or distributors. They all are the essential elements of every garden watering system. Connectors can be divided into two groups, with a male thread and with a female thread. They should be chosen depending on a water source. Construction of the connector with a male thread allows easy installation, also using a spanner. Thanks to the ergonomic shape, swift and convenient installation is offered also by the universal connector with a female thread that is suitable for 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch and 1 inch tapes. The angled connector with a female thread is also a universal connector that fits taps with different diameters. Its rotational construction prevents a hose from kinking and twisting. Also, it is characterized by smooth regulation of inclination within the range of 0 to 180 degrees and made of the ABS material with good insulation and usage properties. The connector works with a hose equipped with a hose quick connector. We can purchase ready sets including sprinklers and hose quick connectors or sets of hoses with connectors, hose quick connectors and sprinklers in a form ready to use. If we intend to connect a water source with more than one hose, we can use distributors. We can choose between a double distributor which enables a simultaneous connection of two devices to one tap, or a quaternary distributor which allows a simultaneous connection of 4 hoses. Thanks to clear opening and closing signs, the valves of the distributors allow for an intuitive and smooth control of the water flow to each outlet separately. The valves are easily visible and have big and comfortable dials. Both distributors fit 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch and 1 inch taps. There is a possibility of connecting the distributors with hoses of different diameters by using appropriate hose quick connectors. The wide span of connectors enables a convenient connection of larger accessories, e.g. digital timers. We need to remember that apart from hose and sprinkler, there are also small parts such as connectors, hose quick connectors and extension connectors that allow for connecting all the elements of the watering system.